Hey guys, how's it going? So what am I working on today? Well, I got this Nissan Sentra, and the customer's complaining that something's not right when they're driving it. They're not sure what it is. They said it kind of revs up, it shudders, does some weird stuff. This is a 2014, it's a CVT. Be willing to bet the tranny's on its way out. So anyway, kind of funny. Last night I got a message from RJM. Big shout out to you, thank you for that. I didn't know that you could shut off the selfie mode and have everything looking backwards. I had no clue I could even do that. That shows you how tech savvy I actually am. When I tell you that I don't rehearse these things and I don't practice anything or write anything down, I really don't. I just, what you see is what you get. Like, this is really what's going on in my daily life. So thank you for showing me that. So now hopefully everything won't be backwards when you're looking at it when I'm in selfie mode. So learn something new every day. And if you don't, you're not paying attention. So anyway, let's take this thing for a ride. So here she is. Clean car. Looks like it's well maintained. Down here in the south, you need these blankets on top of the dashboards because otherwise they just crack to all holy heck. All right, it's got 161,000. So that's a very good possibility of a transmission issue, just because of that mileage. Let me just tilt this up a little bit. All right, so hopefully I'm on the right side of the car now. All right, so let's take this thing for a ride. I'm gonna go down my dead end road and see if we feel anything. I have a holes in my mouth because of my congestion. So in case you're wondering what I got going on there, that's what that is. But yeah, so let's get to my dead end road. Literally, it's 2 driveways over and I'm on a dead end street. So let me get over there and then let's see if we can't figure out what this thing's doing. Okay, so we didn't even have to go out of the parking space. Didn't even want to go. Do you hear the noise? Yeah, that's the tranny shot. Let's... Oh, I don't even have throttle right now. At least I think that's... Yeah, I'm gonna drive, it won't even go forward. I have no throttle. Ooh. That's forward. Yeah, I got nothing. Wow, okay. Let's go under the hood real quick. And that's loud. At least now we got a check engine light. But I'm confident that's the tranny. Something physically broke inside of it, I think. Wow, she actually drove it in. That's impressive that she drove it in like this. It's one thing I hate that Nissan does. Put the hood release and the gas door release right next to each other. Every time I get in one of these things, I pop the gas door. Every time. Alright. So yeah, tranny's on that side. And obviously the noise is coming from the tranny. Alright. Fortunately, that's done for. Now we've got to see what they're going to want to do now. I want to get another tranny put in. These transmissions are expensive. Another reason I do not like these things. But we're going to have to see. We're going to have to go from there. Alright. Well, unfortunately, that's the end of this video. So, maybe you got something out of that. Alright. Well, hopefully you get something out of my videos. If you did, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. Alright, guys. Have a great day. Keep wrenching.